Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. How you doing today? What I'm about to do is I'm going to work on the Mustang's tail section. Um, I tried to adjust the camera as best I can to show you what's going on here. The push rod is just a little bit too long. So once I hooked up the battery, it won't turn back to neutral. It keeps cocking off to the right. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut off this camera that you see me, my face here. I'm going to concentrate mostly on fixing this one little piece here. Okay? So, shut this. So you can see where I have marked it. So you can see where I've marked it. So what I'm going to do now is I am this nut that's on the push rod itself. See, there are those pliers first. So turning around. Now, maybe wondering why am I using these style push rods? There's a reason because they are flexible. You can actually grab them with your finger to be able to manipulate them better. So once done doing this, I can put the push rod back in. See what I'm talking about? It's easier to grab hold of. Style push rods are a little bit of a pain in the butt, but work pretty well. Never really have an issue with. It's to rain today. I'm trying to see if it's going to determine whether I turn on the sprinkler systems. Raining down in Naples. just to give you guys a heads up, I don't know if any of you do have social media. If you do have social media, you can follow me on Instagram, Model Man Frank, the same name. That is the only place I will be staying on, and once in a while, just once a day, I post a video on there. Follow me there, all the likes. I even post some of the long videos, especially the flying ones. Mostly flying videos is what's going on there. Instructional videos will be going on right here on YouTube and such. So, all right, almost tight there. Okay, so there. Slide. Said right. So that you always want to put it in the last one, and little by little you can adjust it if you need to do so. So now we're going to go over here. We're going to reconnect our rod here. I was able to fix the motor issue for my live chat on this last night. Couldn't get it to work. Found out that I think these receivers that are here are pre-programmed and that they need to be unbound and unprogrammed. So I got this one and I got another one over here. This is why I like the Lemon Gen 2 receivers. Once you program them with the stability control with the gyro, you don't have to change them in between airplanes. And you can, if you go to put it on another aircraft and you set your trimmings on and everything like that, you don't have to break out and reprogram it in a different way. So you're not locked in. And they're pretty good. I really had an issue with Lemon Gen 2. I don't know if any of you have. I would love to hear from y'all if you have had problems, lockups, loss of signal, things like that. Please leave them in the description box below. I really would like to know what some of your stories are. Y'all losing control of the plane. I'll hook up the battery again. Turn off the radio. So, a little bit too much. Too much to the right. So So, set it. Now, you may be asking me, why am I putting rudder control on a banking yank aircraft? On these old wooden birds, not so much on the regular, uh, on the older wooden birds. You really want to have bank angle. I'm sorry, rudder control. Um, want to have that yaw left and right. Specifically, also if you're landing on crosswind. I know this one any doesn't have a landing gear on it. When you're flying the plane, you want to have a little bit of mix to be able to control your plane. The problem with the bank and yank planes, unless they're smaller, that's the only really reason you need banking. This airplane is not that small; it still needs. I may eventually put retractable landing gear on here. I just don't know yet. That's why this one here is going to be stay with all the control surfaces all are good. So our later. So rudder. I really hope to be able to fly this one. You're actually going to see this video after Memorial Day weekend, but I'm hoping to fly this weekend. This video will come out after Memorial Day weekend, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to fly this during Memorial Day weekend, and then if I can't fly for Memorial Day weekend, I'll fly it for July 3rd, which will be the 250th anniversary of these United States. I'll have a special message on 4th of July, the weekend before 4th of July during our live podcast, and I'm going to read here. And I hope you guys will, if you're watching this, I hope you'll tune in. It'll be the week before July 3rd. We will have a special message here on the podcast. I'm going to try and stick to doing these podcasts every Saturday night. So if you ever want to join us, Saturday nights are my podcasts. Saturday night at 8 o'clock. If I don't post, just check Instagram or check here on YouTube, and you'll see a reason why. So, but other than that, we will come online every live workbench review or build right here on Model Man Frank. Right? All right, guys, we're all done with this one. So we'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get a flight video on it this one. This aircraft will keep it. Catch you guys next time. Model Man Frank out.